Do you know how easy it is to change your profile photo in WhatsApp? Today I will show you how to do it. So watch this video until the end and I will share a useful tip with you. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device and afterwards access the settings of the app. So if you're using an iPhone, tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner, and if you're using the Android, tap on the three-dot menu right there and click on the settings, tap on your profile right here and click on the camera icon right there. And afterwards, choose the gallery feature right here and pretty much choose the photo you want to set as your profile picture. Tap done and also make sure it is displaying correctly in your profile, so now your profile photo has been updated. And also, as a bonus step, as I promised, to control who can see your profile photo, access the privacy section and tap on the profile photo tab. Here you can adjust visibility so that it's only available to your contacts or hidden from everyone except your close ones. And if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That gives me the motivation to create more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.